In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a customized YouTube subscribe link that makes it easier for your audience to subscribe with just one click. Let's dive right in. Begin by launching the YouTube app on your mobile device. Tap the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. From the top of the screen, select your channel name to view your channel details. Click the pencil icon to open the channel customization settings. Scroll down until you find the section with your channel's URL. Tap the square icon to copy the link. Return to your home screen and open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, long press to reveal the pop-up menu, then paste your copied channel URL. After the pasted URL, add the following: Sub-confirmation 1. This will create a direct subscription prompt for your visitors. Press Go to ensure the link works correctly and displays the subscription prompt. And that's it. You've now created a custom YouTube subscribe link that encourages your viewers to subscribe with a single click. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on improving your YouTube channel.